Anna Guest, registered dietitian with the Ohio Beef Council, bringing you a simple meatball recipe. Using ground beef, grated zucchini, salt and pepper, we're gonna make some versatile meatballs that are easy for any weeknight meal. We're gonna start with our pound of ground beef, a cup of shredded zucchini, salt and pepper. Give that a good mix until it's well combined. In order to get some uniform meatballs, I'm going to place our mixture on a cutting board, press it evenly into a square. Then I'm just dividing our mixture up into chunks so that I get meatballs that are roughly the same size. We're gonna roll these onto a greased rack. Now we're gonna bake these in a 400-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. So I've added our meatballs right out of the oven to some noodles and sauce. We've got veggies baked into the meatballs. This is a great quick meal that's sure to please the whole family. For this recipe and more, visit ohiobeef.org.